Hey there, fitness fanatics! I'm your go-to expert in the world of workouts, and I've been guiding folks like you for over a decade. Today, we're diving into the world of strength and gains with the top 5 weight benches in 2023. If you're on a quest to build that dream physique, you're in for a treat. But hey, before we get started, check the links in the description for more info. Give that like button some love if you're excited, smash the subscribe button to join our fitness community, and make sure to hit the notification bell so you're always in the loop for the hottest fitness gear reviews. Now let's get to the good stuff. These benches are your ticket to the gains of a lifetime. Starting at number 5, DZQ Weight Bench. The DZQ Weight Bench comes in various versions, with weight ranging from the light version at 32 pounds to the heavier Monter version at 82 pounds. It's part of the Balance From line of fitness equipment and is designed to offer an 800-pound capacity, which is more than enough for most weightlifting routines. Its adjustability and foldable design make it an excellent choice for those with limited space. The bench caters to waist, arms, and hand exercises, providing flexibility for your workouts. Its focus on strength training is evident in its design and build. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, the DZQ Weight Bench, with its capacity and versatility, can be a valuable addition to your home gym. It's a compact, robust option for achieving your strength training goals. At number 4, CANIER Weight Bench. The CANIER Weight Bench is a standard weight bench with a leg developer and a 150 pounds upright weight capacity. While it's not as comprehensive as some other weight benches, it serves a specific purpose well. With a focus on training the waist, arms, core, and more, this bench is ideal for strength training enthusiasts looking for a reliable and straightforward bench. Its leg developer adds versatility to your workouts, allowing you to target leg muscles effectively. The quality and durability are commendable, making it a sound choice for regular use. If you have a specific goal in mind, such as strengthening your arms and core, and appreciate straightforward, effective equipment, the CANIER Weight Bench fits the build goals effectively. At number 3, HKA Weight Bench. The HKA Weight Bench is a portable sit-up machine designed for those who want to focus on core and balance training. While it might not be as versatile as full-sized benches, its specialty lies in helping users develop core strength and balance. This compact and easy-to-store machine is perfect for both men and women looking to target their abdominal muscles. It's a convenient addition to home fitness routines, particularly for individuals aiming to enhance their core strength. If you prioritize core and balance training in your fitness routine, the HKA Weight Bench is a suitable choice. It offers a specialized solution to help you achieve your fitness goals effectively. At number 2, PERLECARE Weight Bench. The PERLECARE Weight Bench is a robust and versatile piece of workout equipment. Crafted from alloy steel, it's built to withstand up to 785 pounds of weight, making it suitable for intense strength training. Its adaptability to various exercises, from arms and legs to core and chest, ensures a holistic workout experience. Whether you're aiming to build muscle or simply stay fit, this bench has you covered. The black frame material not only adds a sleek and modern aesthetic, but also contributes to its overall durability. The weight limit offered is exceptional, providing room for growth as your strength increases. For those who take their fitness seriously and require a bench that can handle their goals, the PERLECARE Weight Bench is an ideal choice. Its material quality, load-bearing capacity, and versatility make it a great addition to any home gym or workout space. At number 1, DZQ Weight Bench. The DZQ Weight Bench is a versatile fitness companion that covers various aspects of strength training. This weight bench comes with a rack and leg extension, making it a comprehensive choice for anyone looking to work on different muscle groups. Additionally, it includes a 90 pounds vinyl weight set, allowing you to start your strength training right away. One of the standout features is its adjustability. You can customize the bench to suit your workout needs, whether you're focusing on arms, legs, chest, or core. The included leg extension helps target specific leg muscles effectively. The quality of this bench is commendable, with sturdy construction that ensures durability. It can support your weightlifting routines with confidence. Its suitability spans from beginners to intermediate fitness enthusiasts. It's also a great space-saving option for home gyms. If you're looking for an all-in-one strength training solution that includes a weight set and provides a comprehensive workout experience, the DZQ Weight Bench is a fantastic choice.